What's up, Puddins? It is 11 o'clock at night, and you know what that means? It's time to make a video. Duh. Doesn't everyone do this at 11 o'clock at night? I think so. So, some of you were talking about how you were having issues getting into SmartMusic and using SmartMusic. Well, I actually made a student account so that I could see what you all see and be able to better help you that way. So if you go to SmartMusic, this is what you will see. Log in. Now this is assuming that you have already signed up for the class itself, so you don't need the class code anymore. When you get to log in, you have new SmartMusic and classic SmartMusic. What you want is the new. So here we are at my personal student account. Well, we're gonna need to turn some of that off. You should be able to see first name, last name, username, email, which is going to be then if you go to the top left corner, click where it says SmartMusic, and this is where it shows you all of the different assignments. Okay, all of these assignments, this is the more time-sensitive one. If you click on the actual words, it takes you to this screen. Complete assignment. I played the French horn. Okay. Now, this is very, very important for you to realize. Number one, it likes Google Chrome for whatever reason. Number two, it likes large window spaces, okay? If your window is too small, it will not register. Uh-oh. And now y'all got to see my weird thing that somebody made me. Okay. So here's our scale assignment. Wow, that's really zoomed in. Okay. We can play it first. Alright. And so then we can record it. We're not gonna unplug the headphones. Whoop-de-doo. Now we see that I would have gotten 72% with singing. You can hit the blue play is oh gosh. And then you hit save. That downloads it to your computer. And you can also hit submit. This is for if you have anything to say like OMG, my valves were sticking, like oh no, oh no. and then you hit submit. And then that sends it to me, and squiddly diddly do. You're done. Close. Back home. Then you can see all of your other assignment stuff. I did add one more song for you guys, which is just a little fun right here. And you just have one assignment with that so far. There we are. But I just thought it was a little fun thing. Some of your stuff does have instructions, so the general instructions, those are directly from me. The part instructions are what SmartMusic itself is recommending for you. As always, if you have questions, let me know. If you don't have questions, I love you, I miss you. I'll see you eventually. Later, guys.